Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how to change your domain name on Hostinger. So the first thing you need to know is that there's no direct way of doing this. I'm going to show you a spin around. So the first thing you want to do is jump into Hostinger and go over to domains and select the domain name that you would like to change. So you're going to click on the actual name. Now you'll get over to this page over here, and what you want to do is you want to turn off your auto renewal. Okay, once you've turned off your auto renewal, you're going to go over to the right hand side and tap on the help tab. It's the little icon with the question mark in it, and over here you're going to go all the way down to the bottom and look for the option payments and refunds. Okay, this will allow you to speak to a human about your issue. Over here, we're going to go ahead and tap on I want to get a refund, and from here we're going to tap on the request a refund on the right hand side. Now this will open up a new window, and here you will actually be able to either refund the domain name or the hosting package that you bought. All right, so what's going to happen from here, once this has been processed, you're going to go back to domains and you're going to tap on get a new domain. Once you are here, you can now enter in the name of your new domain and choose your extension and tap on search, make sure it's available, and actually purchase the domain again. Right, so if you've had the refund and you're repurchasing, you're not actually paying for two domains, you're actually just having it refunded and having your second domain name purchased. If this guide was helpful, drop us a like. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. We'll see you next time. Peace out.